Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. The market is expected to open on a positive note, supported by strong buying interest from the FIIs, encouraging quarterly earnings from domestic companies, and optimism surrounding potential trade agreements between the US and India, as well as the India-UK Free Trade Agreement. On the global front, sentiment is likely to be lifted by the US Federal Reserve's decision to keep interest rates unchanged, which was in line with the expectations. Hopes for a US-China trade agreement and recent monetary easing by China, including an interest rate and CRR cut, are also likely to support the market confidence. To start with our first segment for Thursday, 8th May 2025, Nifty Index opened negative by around 150 points on account of geopolitical concerns, but witnessed a sharp uptick to 24,450 zones in the first day. It was followed by volatility and cool-off in the first hour itself, but again saw a gradual upmove throughout the session. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and managed to close above 24,400 marks. However, it has started to form lower highs from the last three trading sessions, and even though support-based buying is intact, the index is facing lack of follow-up at the higher zones for it to sustain. India VIX was up by around 0.3% to 19.46. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.97. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,800 to 24,800 levels, while immediate range is in between 24,100 to 24,600 mark. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 2,586 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,378 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 50%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,400 for strength to regain towards 24,750, while support can be seen at 24,050 zones. Bank Nifty has to hold above 54,250 for a bounce towards 55,250, while support can be seen at 54,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Paytm, PEL, Bharat Forge, Aarti Industry, Motherson, Tata Motors, Maruti, and KPIT Tech, while some weakness could be seen in Asian Paints, Sun Pharma, Bajaj Auto, Petronet Energy, Grasim, and Eicher Motor. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.